Good evening, everybody. Today I am going to demonstrate two experiments. One experiment, homogeneous mixture of water and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride and water. Another experiment is heterogeneous mixture of soil and water. See, the first experiment is about homogeneous mixture. See, take some water in a glass beaker. Take some water and add salt. Add salt and you have to stir very slowly. Stir it very slowly. Stir a little bit slowly and slowly. It is called, first of all, it becomes unsaturated solution. Add more salt, stir it, add more salt and go on stirring it. It becomes saturated after some time. See, after some time, the solution is, the mixture is called a saturated solution of water and salt. Water and salt. What is this called? Saturated solution. And it is also called a homogeneous mixture. The mixture whose composition is same composition, and all the salt particles dissolve in water. नुनका सबै कणहरू यसमा घुलेर रहेका हुन्छन्. This is called a homogeneous mixture. Now I'll throw the mixture, homogeneous mixture of salt and water in a glass beaker. Take some water in a glass beaker, add salt slowly and go on stirring it. It becomes saturated solution after some time. Now I'll throw it out. Now another experiment is heterogeneous mixture, asaman mixture. First of all, I'll add some soil particles. Now I add a little bit water. Now it becomes heterogeneous mixture. What type of mixture is this? Heterogeneous mixture of soil and water. And stir it. Bistare chalaune. Stir it. It is called heterogeneous mixture. The mixture whose chemical composition is not the same everywhere. Chemical composition is not the same everywhere. This is called a heterogeneous mixture of soil and water. Now, how to filter it? First of all, I'll show you. This is called a funnel. Glass, and this is called a filter paper, round shape filter paper. Fold it half, again quarter fold. Now put some water, sprinkle some water and just feed it tightly. Feed it tightly and keep the funnel here this way. Slowly, with the help of a glass rod, you have to power it slowly, very slowly and gently. Very slowly and gently. What happens? You will get what you will get? Water. See, filter paper. If you wait for some time, you can get pure water or clean water. Now, see, what is this water called? This water is called filtrate. The water obtained after filtration is called filtrate. And see, some insoluble solid particle. The insoluble solid particle left on the filter paper is called residue. What is this called? Residue. The clean liquid is called filtrate. Filtrate is the liquid obtained after filtration. Residue is the insoluble solid particle left on the filter paper. In this way, you can separate soil and water very easily. Again, finally, take a funnel, take a filter paper, fold it, and again, and you have to power it. You have to power heterogeneous mixture, and you will get. But you have to do this experiment slowly to get pure liquid. The pure liquid is called filtrate. The insoluble solid particle left on the filter paper is called residue. This much for today.